there was a man with no name. Very dangerous. It is said he could kill a man with 2 fingers. This man roamed the West for years, and many fell in his wake of destruction. But not fame, nor glory, nor all the riches in the world could quench his thirst for what he had been searching for all that time. Gold. Liquid gold. Little did he know, what he sought after withheld a power unmatched, even by the man with no name. I came for the gold. You're gonna take me. Don't worry about that. I don't plan to use it. But don't tempt me.
Oh, I'm not worried. I know you. You're the man with no name. And this gold you speak of? Well, I assume you're speaking of
liquid gold. It is said to flow like golden rivers, and whoever's in possession of it gets to ride the stars like horses.
Ride the stars like horses. Yeah, well, I've seen this for myself. Everything they say is true. But you the man with no name, well, you were planning on taking that for yourself and riding the stars on your own. Well, I'm afraid you'd be mistaken.
I'm afraid you're mistaken. I will ride the stars tonight, and I might ride you if you don't take me there. So tell me, before you close your eyes, do you feel?
Oh, you and your pistol. Well, I've heard tales of this before, and I have something special of my own. Now let me ask you, how does it feel to be destroyed by the one thing you sought to conquer?
I'm afraid I've made a mistake. I'm sorry.